So hello beautiful awesome professionals. My name is Digital Panel. You are listening Digital Panel. In this quick episode we will discuss how to enjoy life more. 20 ways to enjoy every day. Want to know how to enjoy life more? Some people believe that to enjoy life they need to do things like earn money, like have the perfect relationship or friends, become well respected or famous. However, plenty of people have these things and more are still unhappy. Like so many conditions of happiness are available, more than enough for you to be happy right now. But if there are already so many things to enjoy in life, why don't we enjoy every day? Because learning how to enjoy your life takes practice. We need a positive mindset, develop good habits and fill our life with meaning. Still there are probably no matter skill to practice them. Learning how to enjoy life to the fullest, right? Here are 20 things you can do to enjoy your life more. Like first is practice gratitude. It's impossible to feel both grateful and unhappy at the same time. It's that simple. Try it and you will see what I mean. No wonder many scientific studies have found that being grateful can improve self-esteem, reduce negative emotion like envy, and reduce the risk of major depression. Grateful people also tend to take better care of their health, exercise more, sleep better, and have a low level of stress hormones. Like so, if you want to learn how to enjoy life, start practicing gratitude. Like next and second is work on mindfulness is the act of being fully present and aware of where you are and you are with and what you are doing without being distracted by thoughts, judgment or emotions. Or as the spirituality teachers whenever you are be then totally is the when we learn how to enjoy the moment we can become calm, focused and happy. To practice mindfulness, start by removing things that distract you from your environment like social media, TV and music. Then your thought by not paying attention to them and instead of focusing your attention on your breathing. You could also practice mindfulness by learning to enjoy the simple things in life, such as going for a week in a nature and observing the sight and sounds, doing some exercise and feeling your body. Next and third is put yourself first. It's hard to enjoy life every day if you never put your own need first. If you want to feel content or peacefully, you need time to relax, have fun, be productive, explore new things and develop healthy relationships, so that the next time someone asks you to do something you don't want to do, consider saying no. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't be kind or help others. It just means that you need to take care of your own needs first. Protect your time and energy. You deserve it. Next and fourth is be kind to yourself. We all make mistakes and miss them like a mark sometimes. Be kind to yourself in this moment. Whatever has happened, there's nothing you can do about the past. Expect to learn from it. This could be incredible thought in the beginning, but it gets easier with practice. Look deeply and you will discover that you deserve to be happy regardless of who you are, what you are done or where you are going. You deserve to be happy just because you are alive. Give yourself permission to be happy and peace in this moment. Next and five is rest and recuperate. It's a pretty challenging to learn how to enjoy life to the fullest if you are tired, burned or stressed. We all need time to rest. However, there's no much help happening the modern era. We have to work, study, do housework, keep with COVID-19, manage our finance, take care of families and more. It's very important and we are learn the art of resting and relaxing. Right? Not only does it help prevent the worst of many illness and the develop through tension and worrying. It allows us to clear our minds, focus and find creative solution to problems. So make time to learn how to relax and enjoy your life. Next and six is celebrate small wins. These days social media can fool us into believing that life is about hoping from one experience to achievement in other, but life is not made of achievement of experience. It's made for the moments and memories between them. Don't just celebrate milestone. After all this only happen once. Every milestone, I learn how to enjoy life by celebrating every step of the way. For example, don't just enjoy the exam result and business profits. Enjoy every horse spent studying and every happy customer you serve. Next and 7 is invest in yourself. Investing on our personal development is an act of self love. When we do this, we are on well-being. We are also developing our self-awareness, which breeds self-comparison and happiness. Look for way to improve yourself and enjoy the process. For example, you could take a free online course, journal, workout, meditate, or read a self-development book. Next and 8 is nurture positive relationship. Having positive relationship in our lives is essential to feeling truly happy and content. In fact, the biggest study of happiness ever considered found that spending time with other people made study subjects happier on a day to daily basis. Next and 9 is meet new people. Not everyone has lots of close relationship in their lives. Plus sometimes we can outgrow friendship and need to establish new connection to take their place. And remember community and connection are essential to our happiness and well-being. Start interacting with other online over a shared passion and enjoy the refreshing. It's a part of our life. Next and 10 is consume less new and news consume less news and social media. Perhaps one of the easiest way to enjoy your life more is to reduce the negativity in your lives, and one of the simplest way to do this is to consume less news and social media. It can be damaging your health, so cut all of the negativity and save your attention for things that uplift you. And you could even use a tracking app to help you understand how you spend your time social media and news sites. Next and 11 is try new things. Trying new things and exploring new places can sense and expand your perspective. Is there something you are always wanted to do to learn? Is there somewhere you are always want to go? Is there a then schedule some of these things in your calendar. Start small with quick wins and work your way up to big ticket items. Next and 12 is get rid of clutter. You know what they say, TD space TD mind. It's not secret to a clutter home can feel stressful and take longer to clean. On the other hand, if you want to get rid of some clutter, put aside some things to donate. You could also set yourself a challenge, set as adding one item to Facebook Marketplace each day. Next and 13 is spend money on experience, not possessions. Studies show that experience make us happier than a possession. Why? The initial happiness of something new fade over time. However, experience continue to provide joy through memories. So next time you want to spend money to feel joy, why not spend the money on an unforgettable trip or expensive things? Next and 14 is experience exercise regularly. Everyone know that exercising improve health, but can it help us enjoy life today? Yes, bet it can. Wherever you walk, run, lift weights or play a sport, take some time each day to exercise and enjoy every day a little more. Next and 50 is spend time in nature. Science has proven what we all intellectually know. Spending time in nature improve our health and happiness. For example, whenever you feel down, take a walk in the park, have a picnic with friends, read under a tree or paint a landscape. Whatever you do, get back to nature more than. and more often. Next is a track your time. Sometime before we can learn how to enjoy life more, we start like first need to understand where our time goes. When we become more like consequous like of how we spend our time, we can often find opportunities to reduce time wasting or activities and how the extra time to like do things we enjoy. Next is cultivate a purpose. Without a meaningful purpose to help steer us, it can be a challenging. It feel like secure or productive and valued. Like wherever you feel driven to help others become the best person you can be, or climate change. Try to develop a purpose to give yourself a direction and help you enjoy your life more and more. Next is contribute to others. You can combine the positive effect of good relationships and a strong purpose of like by finding ways to contribute to others. Alternatively, if you are tight on the time, you could find small way to help others each day. For example, you donate items to charity, let someone in a rush go first the grocery store, check out or pick up a coffee and a sandwich less fortunate person. Next is a overcome like a distractive habits. It's a pretty tough to learn how to enjoy life to fullest while living under the like dark cloud or a destructive habit and addiction. Be honest with yourself about your vices or consider seeking help to overcome them. It may take a while before those like a clouds start to clear, but you can be confident you will enjoy your life more than they do. Next and last is committed to mastering something, learning something. Now, new can be fun and interesting, but the initial excitement can often wear off quickly. Whether it's playing to guitar, cooking, or running Facebook ad campaign, you can find enjoyment in the process of slowly mastering a subject, skill, or hobby that interests you. And hey, you never know like where master may lead you. Learning how to enjoy your life take practice and effort, but the reward will always be well and worth the effort. Here are 20 things that you can practice to enjoy your day more. How do you plan to practice enjoy your life more? Do you have any tips on how to start enjoying life? Let us know in the comment below.